Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the COVID-19 news and updates for Canada, focused primarily on Ontario's reopening plan announced on May 20th, and we'll also talk about the updates on Canada's flight ban from India and Pakistan. So let's get started. Based on the May 21st numbers, 4,682 COVID-19 cases were reported in Canada, bringing the total COVID-19 case count to 1,352,121. Now, talking about the province which was hardest hit by the pandemic in Canada, Ontario released its plan to safely and cautiously reopen the province and gradually lift public health measures. Ontario has been under a stay-at-home order since April 8th, meaning Ontarians should only go out of their homes for necessities like visit to grocery store, pharmacy, healthcare appointments, outdoor exercise or pet walks, childcare or school, or for work if it can't be done remotely. Ontario government announced their plans to end this order as soon as June 2nd. They announced a roadmap to reopen, which is a three-step plan with more spaces opening with each step planned to accommodate more people. Now here are some key highlights from this plan. The province will remain at each step for at least 21 days to evaluate any impact on key public health and health system indicators. At the end of the 21 days, the government will evaluate vaccination rates and look for positive trends in other key public health and health system indicators as well. If trends are positive, the province will move to the next step 2 weeks after the following vaccination thresholds have been met. Step 1 is 60% of adults needs to be vaccinated with at least one dose. In Step 2, 70% of the adults needs to be vaccinated with one dose and 20% to be vaccinated with two doses. And in Step 3, 70 to 80% of the adults needs to be vaccinated with one dose and 25% vaccinated with two doses. So, if Ontario's vaccination rate or any other health indicators are not positive as expected, the timelines of these steps could change. Now, this plan is based on the recent COVID-19 case count and projection reports. As you can see from this graph showing the 7-day moving average of COVID-19 cases, and as you can see, almost all the provinces in Canada are witnessing a decline in case count across the board. Another report by Science Table sheds some more light on this, and some of the insights are primarily focused on the vaccination rate. This report talks about the vaccination coverage so far and depicts a good picture for Ontario, saying the age group of 18 and above have been vaccinated with at least one dose by more than 50%. And if you look at the age group of 40 and above, most of the people have been vaccinated with at least one vaccination shot. This also means that we see a drop of daily COVID hospitalization rate across all age groups as seen by this 7-day moving average. This report also highlighted some key findings, saying that the control of the pandemic is improving due to current public health measures and the effort of Ontarians. Maintaining progress on vaccinations and maintaining some public health measures until mid-June can help ensure a good summer. It also adds, outdoor activities are much safer than indoor activities and should be encouraged. So the roadmap to reopen seems to make more sense in light of such findings. Ontario also opened many outdoor activities and gathering of up to 5 people. I'm sure this comes as a good news for us Ontarians, as we can finally enjoy some sun with outdoor activities. Now that some of these outdoor activities are finally open, I hope to post some more videos from outdoors showing you some summer activities and experiences from Canada, maybe in a vlog fashion. Now switching gears to talk about an announcement on flight restrictions, Canada has extended its ban on direct flight from India and Pakistan until June 21st to help control the spread of new variants of the novel coronavirus. The previous 30-day ban, first imposed on April 22nd, was set to expire on Saturday, May 22nd. The Minister of Transport said the restriction was put in place based on public health advice to reduce the importation risk of COVID-19 and its variants. The ban applies to direct flights from both countries, which means passengers can still fly to Canada from India or Pakistan by arriving via a third country as long as they provide a negative result on a COVID-19 test taken at their last point of departure before being allowed to enter Canada. I'm sure Canada will continue to monitor COVID-19 stats coming from India and Pakistan as we all hope for everyone's safe recovery as soon as possible. I also hope that everyone who has not been vaccinated yet plans to get their vaccines when it's safe for them and as vaccines become more available to them. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.